And an interesting demo. E-Ink is demoing a folding e-reader that can also use a stylus to take notes. The E-Ink Corporation, you might remember, is the company behind the technology used in most digital paper products, most e-readers. This demo, quote, shows a foldable e-reader prototype developed by E-Ink. An earlier version came out in June, but the latest hardware adds a sturdier hinge, 5 dedicated buttons down the right-hand side of the device, and 2 light bars positioned at the top of the screen for illumination. There's also integrated Wacom technology for taking notes, making annotations, and highlighting passages with a stylus. The overall concept is intriguing. As with folding smartphones, a foldable e-reader promises more screen real estate in a smaller package. There's also the pleasing familiarity of the folding format, making the device more like a book or a notepad. Add in the capacity to take notes and sync reading material, and you'd have an extremely useful bit of kit. But it seems the technology is not quite there yet. The bezels on this prototype are huge. The flip-up light bars are reminiscent of gadgets from the 1990s, while note-taking on e-readers generally is still constrained by low latency. Using e-readers to take notes is certainly a growing market, but it's not yet a seamless enough experience to overtake old-fashioned pen and paper. Still, we'll be watching the development of this tech with interest, end quote. Yeah, I've never understood why Amazon hasn't gone harder at the whole tablet note-taking route with their Kindle e-readers. I still love my Kindle. It's absolutely one of my favorite devices of all time, carried around with me every day. So if I could also scratch out some notes on it, annotate PDFs, etc., I feel like that would be super useful. I actually took a hard look at maybe buying one of those Remarkable 2 paper tablets, but the Remarkables are super expensive, and the thing that killed it for me is that apparently they don't integrate well with any other note-taking apps. So basically any notes that you make on a Remarkable tablet kind of have to stay on the tablet. There's no linking out to other services or devices, which seems really dumb to me. I do use my Apple Pencil with my iPad now and again, but it's not like writing on scratch paper at all. So, somebody out there listening, my dream product is waiting to be developed.